Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your real estate with Coldwell Banker, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of protecting your real estate investments is crucial. Start by assessing your property and identifying its vulnerabilities. Consider obtaining a comprehensive property insurance policy that covers a range of risks. Research local market trends to better understand the value of your investment. Connect with a knowledgeable Coldwell Banker real estate agent who can provide valuable insights. Review your current insurance policy for any gaps or limitations. Explore options for additional coverage, such as liability insurance. Establish a maintenance plan for your property to prevent potential issues. Keep an updated inventory of your property's contents for insurance purposes. Stay informed about local laws and regulations that may impact your property. Develop a relationship with a legal advisor knowledgeable in real estate law. Consider the benefits of forming an LLC to protect your personal assets. Evaluate the option of investing in security systems to enhance property safety. Utilize property management services if you own multiple units or commercial spaces. Document all transactions and communications regarding your property. Invest time in building strong relationships with tenants to ensure open communication. Keep an emergency fund for unexpected repairs or incidents. Conduct regular property inspections to identify and address maintenance issues promptly. Consider joining local real estate investor associations for networking and support. Participate in workshops or training sessions offered by Coldwell Banker to stay informed. Always be proactive in your approach to real estate investment protection. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your real estate investments with Coldwell Banker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.